Good morning. I'm John Rollison, and this morning we're going to take a look at an introduction of the book of Ecclesiastes, which we can find in the first few verses. In Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 1, we read, "The words of the preacher, the son of David, king in Jerusalem." So there is the book open. Solomon identifies himself as the author without actually naming himself. But the question is, who else could be the son of David, king in Jerusalem? Could it be Adonijah? Not hardly. It was Solomon. Not only is he the king, he takes upon himself the responsibility of teaching them, the people, and he calls himself the preacher or teacher. Now, the Hebrew scholars say that the word means one who gathers together for the means of instruction. Craig Bartholomew is a big proponent of that view, and I think it makes sense. He would be one that could gather people together, and he would be able to instruct them. Also, he was very intelligent. In 1 Kings chapter 4, verse 30, we read that Solomon's wisdom excelled the wisdom of all the children of the east country and all the wisdom of Egypt. We know that Solomon was incredibly intelligent because he asked God for wisdom, and God blessed him with great wisdom. And he used the wisdom that God blessed him with to be of benefit to others. He was the teacher of Israel. Now, it was natural for someone like him to want to be a teacher as well. Now, in verse 2, we read, "Vanity of vanities, says the teacher. Vanity of vanities, all is vanity." Now, Solomon, because of his privileged position, he had tested all that life has to offer. And as he surveys life, he comes to the decision, it seems, that everything is a waste of time. Everything about us is temporary, and he emphasizes this conviction by writing, "Vanity of vanities, all is vanity." And it seemed to be the summary of his entire discourse. But what he learns, and what this book is about, is that apart from God, everything truly is vanity. But with God, we can find meaning and purpose in life. Until tomorrow, I'm John Rollison.